Everything, put in everything because it's steering back. Everything. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back.
Hey guys, we're back on the farm. Good morning, good morning. Morning, morning, morning. These chickens, oh Lord. Eating. They're gonna get some more. Morning, morning, morning. Chicken them man, the chicken them a grow. Setting an egg, guys. We're going to feed the chicken.
What about the fish whole pan?
Water.
You need to use the blue pan. See, all of them are dirty water. Use the blue pan.
You got them up on another Junior. Come out. This one needs to come out. This one. Come. No, I don't want the chicken them to come out. Outside, out.
Who's that big?
I'm gonna be making a donkey pad for the donkey.
Guys.
So you guys will see that.
Guys,
See that, guys? Banana chips and cheese balls. Tastes nice, is it? Now I made the donkey coopa. You see you top look so. Grandpa, push up the fire there, love. Push up the fire, because the food there now cook. Yeah, cook. Hmm? Before no, you put it. You say thank you? Okay. So we are trying now. Ah, Ted! To Grandpa.
Come on, Dave.
Grandpa, you see, thank you, and Kiki Master. You have to make somebody come hold him
Where
up.
are you using him, though?
Make Grandpa come
Where are you
here.
using him, though, Grandpa? Where are you using him, though? We don't have nothing to pad him. How we are going to use pad him?
like
So you not put on the cooper?
yeah.
No, we have to pad him first.
Oh.
Give it up exactly like that.
Now watch here now. Now watch him. See him now take back the kick.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
We're supposed to have 2 pieces of water. Okay, so this show.
Make Grandpa help you, no?
No, I know it's not
Oh.
And this comes
Whoa.
Right.
Yes, sir.
And then you have 2 pieces of rope now and running on and be at time.
Mm-hmm.
So you should do.
Mm-hmm. Good man. Yes, sir. Thank you. Ready for work now, people? Thank you. You have to work.
Welcome back. We're going to check on the pot. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
I think this is ready now, you know.
Guys, look at it, guys. Show them. Show them.
Yeah, man,
Guys, we
dumpling.
have dumpling, we have banana.
Banana, them little but them tell her.
Yeah.
Pumpkin.
Thin. Yes, guys.
Irish potato.
Guys, you like the fire, guys?
Sweet potato.
So, and one of the potato is mine. Guys, stay tuned and watch the video soon. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. She going to taste it. How it tastes? How it tastes?
Nice. We will drink some pot soup.
Oh, it's so good.
Drink some pot soup. We'll take
Watch
it out.
the dog. Watch the dog. The dog running.
We'll take it out.
Guys, we're going to take off the pot now because we don't sure if the pot are ready. Ooh, they hot. He hot. He hot like a fire.
Pass the block. The pot. Turn off that and turn it on.
Guys, we're going to put on the next pot. Woohoo! Shit.
Cooking lunch for the workman them guys.
Me and tell your name. Me and E and J Lifestyle Farm.
Pass the now the onion and the something cut up in that plate. Plate that it cut up in? Huh? Oh, the plate in front of you with the pot. Yeah. Pass it.
Guys, look at it. It's so look good, guys. Guys, we're gonna throw in it. And the lifestyle farm. We do the work while you watch the video. Just like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about E and J Lifestyle Farm. We do the work while you watch the video. Just like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about E and J Lifestyle Farm. Stay tuned and watch the video soon. Comment, subscribe, and share.
Cooking guys.
Yeah, she's cooking, guys. Guys, she a cook food, you know, guys.
Guys, I want to be resting, but I'm not resting.
Guys, look at the two dogs, like, guys. The two dogs is bad, guys. See, the two dogs, when we go in a them pen, you don't know what happened. The dog, them rush at Tommy. Ask Miss Erica.
Alright, we're going to be doing this now. So I'm going to throw the water out.
Guys, we're going to throw out
Salt.
the water. Saltfish.
This is the saltfish and it's going to go in the pot right now. Alright.
It's ready, Martha. Guys. Yes, guys. Come back, guys. Guys, you like it, pot, guys? No, sir, guys. Watch she over there, so he's eating, guys. Guys, watch her. Hoity.
So the dinner, guys. The lunch on the farm.
you know. You may go to close them.
You never did that. Now hang out the clothes and you say you do it and then you make the whole like sun gone.
What is it? Lifestyle farm. We do the work while you watch the video. Just like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about E and J Lifestyle Farm. We do the work while you watch the video. Just like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about E and J Lifestyle Farm.
We do the work while you... So guys, if you come to E&J Lifestyle Farm, this can be your life. You can come, enjoy the hammock, enjoy the picnic area, enjoy stretching out on that bed, sitting over in that corner, sitting down in here. You can get a ride on the donkey over there. Look at how she's relaxing in the hammock, guys. Come, guys. We will do the work already. Okay, and if you want to be on our channel, and if you don't want to see a chicken digging out the grass, guys, look over there. Alright, so the work while you watch the video. Yeah.
Share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about E.
You see how she live life, guys? She's on her summer holiday in Jamaica. And look at the life that she's living in Jamaica on her summer holiday. Oh. Yes, guys. So I'm going to be sitting over there now until I'm ready, okay?